In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Revolut account in 3 minutes. We'll move from downloading the app to making your first top-up, with clear steps and quick tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Start by grabbing the official Revolut app from your mobile store. Search for Revolut, check that it's published by the verified company, and install it over a stable internet connection. Open the app and choose to create a new account. Select your country of residence, enter your mobile number, and confirm the code sent to you. You'll be asked to set a passcode and can enable face or fingerprint unlock for quicker, safer sign-ins. Next, the app will prompt you to enter personal details. Type your legal first and last name exactly as they appear on your government ID. Add your date of birth and your current residential address. If the app asks what you'll use the account for, choose the closest option so compliance checks go faster. Review everything carefully before continuing since mismatches can delay approval. Identity verification is next. Have a valid photo ID ready, such as a passport or national ID, and make sure you're in a well-lit spot. Follow the on-screen guidance to scan the document and take a quick selfie. Hold the phone steady, avoid glare, and keep all 4 corners of the document visible. Some regions may also request proof of address. Common items include a recent utility bill or bank statement. Once verified, you can add money. Tap. Add money and choose a method. Debit or credit card top-up, Apple Pay or Google Pay, or a bank transfer. For the fastest start, a small card top-up typically lands instantly. Ensure the name on the funding source matches your account details to avoid declines. With funds available, you're ready to use Revolut. You can pay online with the instant virtual card, and if you want a physical card for stores and ATMs, order one from the Cards tab. Explore useful features like spending insights, budgets, and alerts, and security controls to freeze or unfreeze your card with a tap. That's it. You've opened your Revolut account in just a few minutes, and you're set to go.